Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations? So let's consider a solution from here. We have x plus y, which is from equation 1. We have x plus y equals 6. Then from here, let's make y the subject. We have y equals 6 minus x. So then from equation 2, we have xy equals 6. And let's replace y here with 6 minus x. So since we have derived a new equation, so here becomes x into bracket of 6 minus x equals 6. So by opening the bracket, we have x times 6, that is 6x, minus x times x, we have x squared equals 6. And by rearranging this, we have this as minus x squared plus 6x equals 6. And then let's expand this out with negative. So by multiplying the whole of this with minus, we have this as x squared minus 6x equals minus 6. And then let's take the whole of this here. Let's take negative 6 to this side. We have x squared minus 6x plus 6 equals 0. So here is a quadratic equations, as we are going to find the two values of x for this. So when you consider this, a is just like, or you compare it with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we can see from here that the value of a here is the coefficient of x squared, as our a here equals 1. So b is coefficient of x, which is minus 6. And c is the constant value, which is 6. So we have to plug the whole of this thing here in this quadratic formula. So we have x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we plug all of this thing here, as we have minus 6 here, there is minus, so this becomes plus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared, so in bracket minus 4 multiplied by a, that is 1, and c here is 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. The next step, we have x equals 6 plus or minus square root of, so here is 6 squared, that is 36 minus, so 4 times 6, that is 24, divided by 2. And then we have x equals 6 plus or minus square root of, so 36 minus 24, that gives us 12, divided by 2. And then we have this as x equals 6 plus or minus, you can write this as square root of 4 times 3 divided by 2. And then you can apply the rule of sort here, as when we separate this, we have 6 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3 divided by 2. and then we have our x equals 6 plus or minus square root of 4, that is 2, multiplied by root 3 divided by 2. And the next step, so from here we can factor out 2, and we take out 2 here, we divide this 6 by 2, we have 3 plus or minus, and also this one we are going to have it as we have root 3 divided by 2. So when 2 cancel 2, we have our x equals 3 plus or minus root 3. And this is the answer for the x. So to get the value of y, we have to recall where we let. So by recall from where we let y equals 6 minus x. And here we have two values of x. We have x equals 3 plus square root of 3. And we have x equals 3 minus square root of 3. So I will try to apply these two. We are going to get y equals, for this, 6 minus 3 minus square root of 3. And here we have our y equals 3 minus square root of 3. So this is when x equals 3 plus square root of 3. So we get y equals 3 minus square root of 3. And also, for the other part, where our x equals 3 minus square root of 3, so we substitute it in x, in y, which is 6 minus x. Then we get y equals 6 minus 3 plus square root of 3. And this gives us our y, which is equals 3 plus square root of 3. So here is the value of y from when x is 3 minus square root of 3. So we can try and verify this problem. So let's say from x plus y equals 6. So having this, what we are going to do is we try to replace the x and y. So suppose I take this and this only. We have 3 plus square root of 3 plus 3 minus square root of 3. So this and this cancelled. Then we have 3 plus 3, that is 3 plus 3, we have it as 6. So 6 is the answer to this problem. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.